This video will show you how to change the oil on this Cub Cadet riding mower using the drain plug method or the Arnold siphon pump. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Place the mower on a flat, level surface. Make sure the engine is cool. Then disconnect the spark plug ignition wires. Clean the oil fill and drain area of any debris. Remove the dipstick from the oil fill tube. Then, using the Arnold siphon pump, place the black tube into the dipstick hole on the engine and the orange tube into the oil pan. Prime the pump by pumping the handle 3 to 4 times. Once the liquid begins to flow, it will flow without further pumping. Remove the Arnold siphon pump. To remove the oil using the drain plug, position the catch basin, then snap the small end of the oil drain sleeve onto the oil sump. Remove the drain plug and drain the oil into the catch basin. Replace the drain plug and remove the drain sleeve. Remove the oil filter. Using oil, lubricate the gasket of the new filter and then install the filter. Add new oil as instructed in your operator's manual. Replace the dipstick. Wait several minutes, then use the dipstick to check the oil level. Attach the spark plug ignition wires. Dispose of the oil properly.